ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ distinguished guest Wairapam Deven Singh, retired IPS, ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ex-IGP Goa Police ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯝꯂꯕ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡꯕꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖꯇ ꯂꯦꯡꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯅꯣꯂꯨꯛꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ꯫ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡꯕꯨ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ
Sauba Singh, Oza Sauba Singh, Chief Financial Officer, LEA Associates South Asia Private Limited, Onesule Biriba, Ozabo States ke Pamangana Nisi Binagan Sindari. Loina na lengkap piraliba Ozabo facility to binaraba Unicast ke mai kaida gisu thobirak na Nisi Sindari. Guest of honor in Michael Manichandra Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, Aryabhatta College, University of Delhi, Kakabu, States that I can respected Oza Sawaijum Somendro Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Deputy Dean Noinasule Biriba, Delhi University, Hosi Odisu, Deputy Dean Noinasule Biriba, Oza Suling Spirit, Nabati Sigare. Hello. Function asibu haudopi na bagi damakta ahobagi thauram oina abagi respected pambam lang dalenshin biriba respected guest simbu may raso magpi na bagi damakta ningsing jari. ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯕ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯦꯛꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯦꯁꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯑꯁꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯅꯣꯂꯨꯛꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ꯫ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯃꯦꯗꯜꯁ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯀꯥꯁꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯣꯟ ꯁꯅꯥꯕꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖꯇ ꯂꯦꯡꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯃꯦꯗꯜꯁ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ꯫
ngasigi yaitharaba numit February tarik 3 numaising numit asida pangthoksariba 63 suba annual freshers meet come get together 2018-19 academic session asigi chief guest ipumam langda lengsin biriba ikai nazariba Indian Police Service the Inspector General of Police Goa Oina Thau Pubiramba Sri Karakpam Deven Singh Bu Taramna Okchari Amadi Pok Nona Rumzari Amadi President Di Pom Langda Lingsin Diriba Ikai Nazaraba Lee Associates Asian Private Limited Di Chief Financial Officer Di From Pubiriba Sri Ketrimem Sauba Singhu Taramna Okchabaga Luinana Pok Mona Kurumzari Amadi Guest of Honor Ipumam Langdaling Sinbiriba Department of Economics Aryabad University of Delhi Ikai Kumnazariba Assistant Professor Sri Nongmaitem Manichandra Singh Amadi Department of Physics Ki Professor Deputy Dean University of Delhi Oinasu Pubiriba Dr. Sobaisam Somarendra Singh Busu Taramna Okchabaga Loinana Ngasigi Thauram Asida Lingbirakliba Satra Naharol Iche Ichal Oza Satra Singh Busu Unicas 2018-19 Freshers come annual get together committee Taramna Okchabaga Luinana Pok Nona Kurumjari. Thank you.
John Bu Taramna Hanna Thagachari Makha Tarapoina Masigi function asibu lakpiriba mayapuna bu welcome to Biboina Bogi 2018-19 ki Unicas freshers singdagi opening song ama Taramna utpiranaba freshers singo stage da election birapna bani singdari. Mayang freshers singi na matao magumata bubiyo.
yamna pokning huraba welcome song ama thopiram gi damakta koi Unicast ki freshers sing bu thagat chari mathang sidi koi gi sidi maru araba keynote address asi bi na bagi damakta respected Dr. Mayang Nabam Ramanand Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Tirunelveli College, University of Delhi, Mr. Mathakta Lekhan Kirthanani.
Tada masih matam sana nana bayang kana manaraba di matunda program si is almost delayed by 1.5 hours, so I am really sorry for that, and I apologize to all the dignitaries and the senior colleagues and my respected my event amadi senau apology tabjari akhoi gi Unicast ki angang singna experience leiba amadi leitaba mayama yauraga sigi program si sinjabanina soiba mayam musu yaungani na khanjai adagi Karimba improvements mayama tobi abagi possibilities mayam lai adu ai han maktada ai masigi apology hana tawjari maramdi ai shamsu ena keynote bagi ki hojik ta haijarak anyway this is our duty to at least help our young colleague, so I'm happy that I am here to at least give a keynote address here. अखोई Unicast की कोईबा असुंब function असी traditionally almost 27 years we have already completed. 1992 the Unicast formally and informally it has been constituted by the present seniors. Among those who initiate the such union is here among us. Matam dudagi hona koi objectives kinang tungalami simayan wena khangnarbani adu ai short oina panjage Unicast matam dugi objective priority oina just student gathering matam dudai thabuk tobasu yamandabani na just a gathering interactions amagi oinaba akoi platform ma seba amadi matamduda kaksingi achawa ihoma koi loi tana bagi SC community ki status tana bagi ihoma kanna matamduda kaksing amadi surrounding da yamna kanna chatho matamni matamduda gi hona akoi gi Delhi da su court ki case mayam leiba Supreme Court ta aduna maduda su help tongba haidana sigi union system gi bani adugi madunda akoi gi annually akoi gi sport meet ama mayam da gi sport split to thabat naba sai kuning gi sinaba honarai asiwa go successful oina sinjarai aduga loina na akoi gi annual get togethers masida akoi gi sinau sing alaman sing amadi bhairu sing ka sakhang maithang naba interaction program oina sahi gi oiba function si chatha jarakpani masida hogi ba sahi khada ayam matam da koi September October sigi manungda pangthok sanna bahna je adubu sahi ama ani sure akoi gi kariumba organization sida kidan sumthokpa yadaba khara lebidagi haigedara atraga bhairok sing yamabudi matungna coordination sigidang balapagi haigedara akoi gi annual elections plus annual gathering sisum thenjarakpagi culture am koi ne ro tawjare haijani aduna ngasi ani suba sai oina koi gi almost after December maybe in January and February. Today is 24th February. We can see Pangso Bohna Javani. Makhataba as traditions, we morning hours da we Allaman singing traction program, Loiraga, Angangsing, we traditional Masamasagi culture Lamgi culture Manipur as a whole culture Mayam Pantu Chanaba program Mayam Suleje Sigmatungina Kwiki sport achievement Pangrava Sata Singusu Kwiki award Kwiki function Masu Angang Minasinjali Masi Haragai Yam Sang Namatam Noja Roy Maramdi Kwiki guest message Kuina I don't know Aduna just I wish that we should go ahead and finally I also welcome our Pamung KD Singh eminent civil servant matam khara kaithopi bagi damakta akhoi ngang mai damakta ine am thaga jau phunok chari adugo welcome su tokjari adagi akhoi namo kano chawba always he is the backbone of our Nikas. Whenever there is a crisis, he always stood with us. Welcome to the immediate seniors. Manunda, we can see guys the Pundari Baki Tamo, Sumrendo, Amadi Tamo, Manisunda Busu, welcome Tauba, Dr. Aduka, the Diriba, Alamal Singh, Yamba Singh, Adagi, Daima, Madi, Masin Busu, welcome Dr. Adit Mahiru Singh Busu, welcome Dr. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ozara Manadabu, Tagacha of Fondoksari. Matang Tarakoina Kogi function, Sibu. The guest when election diriba koigi kasi guest of honor no item Mani Chandra Singh Ozabu function asiga mari lehena address to binaba tacho meaning sing university function si hek to buda wakan si numit mga tarani lari ngedi khalam mias university teman na chat pa yado ya dangangi rekhana haye ni lari ba nga chogona tamamasi ay machadi pudo ya de do hai ya mamasi lari kanda kai tho kanda lai ba mayam musdu aina la to mayam musu kurum jari aduga lai ba makaino hena ani ra kurum jari Kanonip ay yam denasu yam sanasu haja rogem role se inikas na ngasi chahi pun taret chuna der pasida ekoi lower roles sidagi hena chawa role ama darka le bra sin na khanjari parabde at national level, Delhi University Teacher Association,
ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯔꯥꯃꯥꯅꯟꯗ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯕꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯩꯁꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯦꯛꯇꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯔꯪꯕ ꯃꯉꯥꯜ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯒꯤ ꯆꯨꯔꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯖꯤꯔꯤꯕꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯕꯪꯒ꯭ꯂꯥꯗꯦꯁꯀꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯁꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯈꯩꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯕꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯆꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ama oirabra madu punsin macha kama mayam sangduna thiminabagi darkar leirabra madu natragadi aikona nungsijarba manipur haiba manipur do imphal valley khaktang oigragadi manipur kauba yarabtabagi 1.2 lakatra machi aina khijabagi natte aina yam nungsijarutuna aikoi haukhigani aduba aikoi khunai di adum leihawgani madu da nuaina naba mayam punna wakan khaminasi kari tawraga aikoi na sida direct tamu matamdasu manipuri amoina maitei masa amoina manipuri chauthona ba india gi oina as a world gi leader amoina tawrakanda hangakada question de nang karai da gi no karamba no haibadu compulsory hangakani madugi wakalom to aikoina direct pawa matamdasu punna kanna honarakanda madu wakalom de ma langla na chin to ma khitang mayam sana naharon naha nupi macha sing nupa macha sing chu wakal khara khamin narasi aikoina su mapam satpa khadimata hanagi saramba wari da ki khachitang ho bala point khanja egi wakan da su masi mayam punna khamin narakanda kari kari to ya buno aikoigi aikoina nungsijar bi ramdam duki aikoina nungsijar ba notice to ge aikoina nungsijar ba aigi bharat versus india se su yam nungsije world as a whole aikoina su yam nungsije atumaina mayam punna khanmin rase haiba yam chaw wakhalon sin thamjaraga matang sida mayam dagi bidai lawjabi
we Odamani Center the Yam the Pazarava Roshin, why my Amamas would have pyramid, Unicas, Buzu Yam the Tagat pyramid, Adugi the Matahana, Mogasu and the Kurumzari, Matunta, when you sip Geski Manga, the election Miriva, was also made Robusu, Wahimanga, Radam, Nasigi, Unicasica Marilla, and Tambira never visited. I'm so sorry. Okay, matung sida guest of honor ni pama plan da lingsin meriba wazano item money center simbo lingsin guest of honor ni pama plan da lingsin meriba waza somen ro lingsin wahai mga tara ni kambira da lingsin da waza ni daw tamu ko ba ta ko yo ay sa may am mistake ko da
Asigi Chigesuna Infraviva Sar Kedi Shi Aduga Ekagi Kaski Horpadagi Hongna Backbone Pagriba Payamba Kitumem Sauba Ai Manava Doctor Manusandra Singh Adagi Lenkragliva Egi Manava Singh Adagi Maivel Shanise Satra Figma Sehingga harapnya aku ini semua sama lobjaroi, aduga aina haninba university member kudimata natraga university satra kudimata haninba advice में आमदी लाई अदुगु aina so hajaroi aina so khanbada कोई university function से September, October, that is, this is the 27th celebration of UNICAS. but this is the second time we are delaying in the functioning of UNICAS celebration. Mamang sa isu normal tauba duty dagi around 4 months behind tau. Handak sa isu namo I think maybe around 5 months behind from the normal schedule of celebration. I nakamada kari ino ekoi nasigi keynote speaker Biramba Dr. M. Ramananda Sutapiramle UNICAS ki members ki manungda karigumba coordination sanataba aiba message mo pibiram. This is not from the point of the coordination as I think. Aikoi ki members ki manungda aigi UNICAS ki sadra mo ibagi duty si mapung phadabra ene khali. If you are not a member of UNICAS, if you come to Delhi to study here, then you should join the UNICAS or you should join the Masad. This is our first priority. Maramdi Delhi the life this is far away from our home. Aigi mai pale gunate, aigi senese le gunate. Our student unions are our parents. UNICAS वगैरह मसाल वगैरह they are our parents. अयगी नारको मतमदा, अयगी थबकी स्वरको मतमदा, मसान अत्रगा UNICAS ना एको भी एमसीटी बाय बसे बस सोइदर. अजना अयना दिल्ली दा लाइटम बला कारगती. That means नंग कक्सिंग मसाव है UNICAS ता देश सरमगी वानी but we are attached to Masar, we are attached to UNICAS. This is our first priority as a student. Asine na hani. Atopa amana number 2 point amada. Function ji sum theng pai basi kari marang dina basi financial ki maram sumran nati na hani. This is not because of the money matter. This is not because of the financial matter. Maram di Aikoigi level da, I university da level, university da join level. Aikoina conference organizing tawang ko niya. This conference is not only for the university teacher. This organized conference is an international conference. We don't have any single money. Paisa sikyo lete ba ko but we try to manage. How to manage it? Suppose if you are becoming a member of the UNICAS or if you are the executive member of the UNICAS, then you should perform your function in time. How to arrange this one? How much budget we need? Plan that August, September, October. Suppose if you plan exactly, we want need postpone high target function to October. Also, do mangre kale. Aduna, me punguri magta ko message am bigeda. Masi paisa ki usna te ai nai si paisa ke na te ngasi to ri si du paisa war kani hai to su paisa war kani hamchi to su paisa war kani. Ai koi na coordination tawga. Arrange to na ko na gadam adu oiraba adu targa di October to ni kan masi function si ei thok pai ba se that means it's not a good idea manam di yum ei thok pai ba sina ta pa di that means ekoi gi wakhalon da ekoi interest director gi message on people ma le khali ei gi mo aduna lak liba anu ba satra singna UNICAS ma pung phan ji hai targa di even Matang Saidagi, even Alexai 2018 at the Wadaba function in 2019 February. At the same time, as soon as a new session comes, let's try to have the same function in the month of October. We will succeed. This is message I like to give to the UNICAS man. Adagi. Point namada, ekoi sida item balai loina. Masih lari tambah lagi, I should pick pas jauh, bakang deh, mahi jauh kami habis ay ko, ay चावरसु पीबसु यूनिवर्सिटी ओजा म ओइजदना ngasi aigi family bu run tawang amiksi asi aisi unicus ki member mari unicus ki executive member so ai ko ai thabu tor ai koi ki IAS IPS any Indian government service ki thok phang missing se ngasi unicus ki function ji hek yaw bada ai oiro happening I not determined I suppose I like to be a big officer, I like to be an IAS officer, I like to be an IPS officer, I like to be a good man in the future. Have a see. Nanga determination torba. Let tali. Nanga thabak kaya salasu. Nanga sumba social activity mayam torasune. You will achieve one day. Siya ay hen. Adu ngasi ki kunai sidi, ngasi kunai sidi. Habidi ngasi ki sata sing sidi. Social activity yang be hota. That means namadi ay civil service ki territory ay matam sangdi hayo aduga phawgi rate hen handle to gumto asi ki message gumto re hena social interaction dorba hena su function yawa knowledge gain phanga asu mi singchina hena success oibagi idea da gumto re aduna ai ngasi laiba sata kudimok अकोई यूनिकस न तौरीब फंक्शन से सही अमक्तनी अदुना अकोई खुदिमक माय पांगनबा अकोई की सोशल गैदरिंग से सक्सेस होनबा अकोई तौसी हारगने लांगनबा तौसी मतुंग नंगी नसागे ड्यूटी से तौबियु अदुगा अकोई की सोशल होइबा सी सोशल सिनाने सो सिमिनम लाकेदनी फ्यूचर asi khanga satra krimuna sumba masaki boiro natraga any unicus boiro any others social activities or kumatamane yang na to bi haina ina ipri satra kumite ipri to ni maramdi aina sumbi yeng bada koi ki tribal sin notion haigadra manipur gi lakba student organization yang re manipur gi di ko recently IC university deputy dean oina khale ko emission की मरंदा लाकदवा जिक 2019 दा लाकदवा emission की मरंदा खन्ना नेनरबनी आइसे असुमबगी थबक्सी नेनबगांदा कोई कयनी सिनाव सिंसी स्टूडेंट यूनियन सिंसी प्रेसिडेंट सिंसी इनवाइट तौरगा कयनी खन्ना नेन बाइतारे कोई ग्रीवेंस कोइना फेस तौबा emission मतमदा फेस तौबा मैम से खन्ना नेनरबा है मीटिंग कॉल तौबकांदा आई थिंक कोई Maitei sinau singsi asili hena wabran nangna samba mamdi lau haba kanda then mopoita interest like the bumba aduga koi singi sinau singsi that means they are so punctual mopoi hena facility learning be no facility the same except some general issues among this is not only for the reservation group this is for entire Northeast Maramdi akoigi general category ki lakhu mi su sida emission to wala kanda they may face the problem in many colleges adumba problem am solve to se habagi discussion to ni adu akoigi maitei sinau interested akoigi tribal sinau interested this is not only their interest makoigi any gathering makoigi nagari student ne kuki student ne ni ngasi function ma to kanda lakhu kanda huge mayam lai lor khana ne inject to nai masi ekoi gi maitei khunai da masi gi image muraktre si kai do hoino ekoi chang lo ra bazala si aina satra ga targadi I should behave as a student if I become a teacher I should behave as a teacher have to to na teo ekoi social as important so masi is now like since aina teacher ni haidana aina koi you I should treat them as my brother and sister, not only my students. Asumana, aina haningbadi laiba maitei oigera pangan oigera tribal oigera any person who comes to Delhi for a study purpose we should interact, we should gather, we should discuss our problem. Sine hanis ekoi recently toba burning over topics in the zoo ekoi sau yaga da bani ka adubu aina lakhi matungina ai madu purani neglect tawgada bani hari nate that means it is only one day matter that means I am joining some burning topic some dharna there I will say no mo ki union kadok you ai civil service phawani noma attend tawbaduna ai power rahna lobi ganu session godin krimakta through yabiu aduga sumba mayangi iho nang su dung aduga boga nungai ba tan yu hele khande thank you all
Sovereign Drobu and Tagachari, Tumlava, Fajarama, Suyan, Maru, Mira Magida, Matanga City, Queen the City, President from Lang, the election Biriba, Kaikun Rabaka, Chaubabu, Mayam Tiliva Mayam Sida, Wahikra and Tamiram Naman, many things.
Generation to generation, have the community, the activities, my I know my other company, unique set, Masi, Katani, I could get Kaxing, Haiva, like, I could like my aunt, Manipur, Mapanda, Student Association on the latest, unique Masi of Matans, very community, what person we should be very proud of. Illegal labor unikas sinatan ay student ko iba association amata atopa Bharat ki states in the land. So we should be very proud to have such kind of association first. Matang da sigi association sina ngasi paw bada ay ko punai ko bada mateng pang bada ay inaw sina su konbire ahan bada ko boy issue lakpa matang tarak bada matang ay ko Manipur ko iba lakpa problem. Even if we recently citizenship amendment bill matanga, so I will university activities mayama adi masatu support of na yawa. Si platform yam thaba yam saw platform. Kasing the particularly na just few months back when we had problem about the district headquarters. But amduda ko city university executive kamu may chain na ko CM the chair na ama matawna ngamba contribution ang tawai. Even Narana and the Tokiba, I go again, I do Tabak Kudimaka, Manipur, Lago, the AJS was a Masigi, my aunt in the support of the Fulani. Masigi, legacy say, going to the Sakavasi, young important boy. First of all, I had a horror position game, but I couldn't, I couldn't show you this year, I idea of Jackson Mazamli. But today, I could unity maintain topics. But Masi. Theoretically, young like unity is maintained. Practically, young do good over me. But that's hard to missing and I matic to me my worker canary, Loina Canada, when unity maintained those, it becomes a big service. But in Makata, giving us a good person, Tender Park, Ariama Masula maps. Masiki Maricamo is saying a hierarchy, even a platforms in Masibo could fully Masiki benefit long. Masiki benefit low by for example, Manipur, I could cut and some neighboring area. I could say Lok Savar, what hard of the boat area. Why? yam luba question ni masi ubagi yam important hoy ba ngasi outer Manipur di south areas ta MP amga ta adu ki MP ko koi masa tu kang de even na isi the problem le na ta koi inner Manipur ki MP da ya ba hai ka koi plain da le problem ni na sigi jo ki mayam na koi now sing ani akhang ga hi mayam ma si ju kari to ya ba to ju ki khanari Masimagta ko di imikas na ngamamati pangbiya even initiative law biya habak aya ko lay ko kaksing na tali yung sila ko da iban recently hobi ko imay ben ko may pambi may si hana mo ida di special lupa sani ka ko ba ngasi municipality na mas 1,000 law di special why moy si to policy na law sina mo sana na moy ki ko kaksing ni phana na siem na pra kari tong na mayam masing bagi ko social issue mayam lay marak sida ina tamdani bari ngasi noi satra si han da Delhi hai mafam sida no lai tamba sorry lai tamba pangu se masi yam lai ko ni masi opportunity si noi mahan sida uti senior we nai ko gi now sing ngari mayam su university puduna college puduna mayam lai rami na noi uti moi ri advice lo bi ya loina baksi senior na junior tapi bayai mayam se kuni yamna khajaba haidi coordination na mada tawraga di knowledge sharing even asi koi function sin na kana har mar ta ko interactive section tham bayai koi kaksing lagi na ta Manipur lagi akang hi mayam le ni ti sida moi ta tawra ga ngasi ko interactive section even na di noi mayam sin mar ta he no karma profession se alag na thai doi civil service ta na te private sector ta corporate governance kar mind to adagi na tawga isa even on business hay mo to ge ha kan kan ako interactive session mayam to biya adagi knowledge sharing session mayam to ga how we can improve Manipur as a whole in particular class ngasi ko isom da akala hi mayam le yang kai ngai woi ba ako ki solid waste management ngasi India government na almost 87-90 soi da ko ngasi Manipur ki karam ba area da masi facility lagi how is sanitation yang si infal ki small area na tam ngasi sanitation lai ba hay mo population ni hegal ko tam da mas sanitation si adana thamau ka ba sewerage adana thamau ka ga karai no tam do is yum mang ki ba da mo electric no jilai chatum lai jilak re kadi plan mo ko ni tam is ai ko ga pe himbrai ko na pa mi si ai ko thabuk si tam ba lai ta ba tamba untuk ke bar ka thawa ma tawa ai ni pinga ka ku na ko ire so ti lo ra ai wa kan ko ko ni ni satrai se hai ni noina pillar ho ka do social contribution ai pung kya tham ya kai to ya it is also very important ego society de le society ki khar khar su na mayam si ko ki interactive session tham na ada ki attend to ba ko som the seminar ta ka to na do ni knowledge mayam ma tansinda ko si yang important no kan je ko masi mata ka na ko corporate level ki la ko na aina mate kam ka tang ko ai share to ko ba ko ina ma ka ke me am thum the ko Red Cross is the founder of the McDonald's ko McDonald's ngasi angang ko na corner ko ni sa lag sari ko McDonald's si founder mana 1974 da University of Mexico da jalla ke MBA ki chhatra kaya kuma ma lecture pibe ko ni sida mana han ki question do you know what is my business mayam ko inga ke ka mi ko ni khangi ma si McDonald ni makuni McDonald koi corner ko di makka supply ko na ero to ni ado kai mana han se mana ni man e ko doi khangi nang to ni nang di thar burger ko on ba kai do ni nang di business har kan no that's not my business magud ai corporation ai di business adu na ti ai di business ti ai real estate mo na kan mai to yang sai di any corner am the franchise ni halu ko ni ni sida paisa tha ni franchise man mapang sa ba khal ga lai ni adagi ngasai di property si must be rate si 3-4 4-4 5-4 yorukan mai value si wa kar Other than demand from the share company. Magi real business is not selling the hamburger, but it is investing in the real estate. Sigi matang sa danya ko ni ko din na yam to ni sin number word, mind your own business or mind your own business. Masi yam hai ni ko din si. Mind your own business sigi meaning si kayo nga na mi kar masi yam sarcastic ko ina nata kayo ina. Man hai su kayo. Hai ro masi yam na luba amadi line lo na khanga da yam na line. Khanga da yam ko mind your own business. See that I go a power management. I am not going to Mukare. Nasi I go in announcing at the Yamba, at the Mayama, Yam public position that money. Habak Tokuna Kakuna, they may be earning their life. Yam public Madu Adubu Madugi Matata. Mind your own business and important. But the man is even maybe doing 1 lakh salary, 2 lakh salary. How is managing that? Adu buning aside, mind your own business. Masida no is hard to hold money. Adi anuma krisida ayna. Why am I company? No hey no earning home nasa. Maduragi, I North America na kay Europe kay. To is sinawa. Koi principal like amal. 1/3. Nangi earning bugi. Some own topic Amasan Masi TX not an atom the short of here. And the country to the Mata, Nanga Tabato is the 1/3 TX the second over. 1/3 Amana Nanga Sadi use Nangi Corsa, Imungan, Tobica, Sinaba, 1/3 Amana a set guest in the Sinagada. 1/3 I must investment will be at Nanga Tolinga Nangi, Jum the Matuna, Donan. Masih first step ni, ni yang lagi magi sini, saya kau ini kan orang. Aku ini kasi ni kerana mana private sector atau ni, adu ni ada ni ada tu loh yang aku ini employees stock option plan ya. Si loh lah ni. It means aku employer itu biasa. For example, right now where I am working is a Canadian company. It is an employee of. Aku employee nama pun ni masih company. India ni aku ini kumba shareholder ni, Canada ni aku control kumba ni, Taurisi. We have 18 country operation, which is under country tarang mak aku operation. Private even service tu noi sang mana tangga, ikhang tu maya mula aku orang ni masih social security norm yang sesila apa ni masih dah noi dah provident fund lagi, pension fund lagi, employees state, ada lagi mediclaim. Only corporate sector is low sangat. Even I go bawa di India ada jam kita sahaja mada more than 30 lakhs we spend on the corporate social responsibility CSR. Sini masih aku bawa kalau ni masih paisa saya katsing na terus Manipur dah thada bayar dia na. Aku knowledge siapa. Kalau ini ni saya aku ini run kano profit center aku NGO ama proper run tahu dah. Cuma tax exemption certificate yang low later si lakukan ni kusi. Aku ina CSR ni khada bijaya. Nasi Manipur dah CSR si benefit low pun apa society ni. Lain tu ya, yang aku kerja ada. Ama ni tu yang large scale tu tahu boleh. Sini bagi aku ini hidden benefits. Mayama malay masih aku low nak pun si. Aku collect ni kalau kita tahu yang sincere hard working darkar dah. Saya tahu dah semua. Ada yang social responsibilities aku itu untuk perkara tahu tak. Mayam si pun laga khanna laga karam ada kari support usi ke hai se yang important. How itu trend change tahu ini hana lembai ko announcing kari se. They were so dedicated. Even more study dah so social contribution tu. Adu nasi mo ni lagi betul. How many of you no saat masih yang kali nasi university se pangisi sahih mada. How many of you are successful on that? Mindset tu level problem. Aku kau itu mereka lain sih kali ni. Ada maka tahu lain tu tahu raga lambai aku ini iram dalam dua apa lambai kerja aku kan tu tahu tahu ni. Aru itu dah aku Aristotle na hari mana. We are what we Masi lawyer say lawyer ni hari say, lawyer sila nga say magi thabak ya tu doctor ni hari si profession. That's why we are what we intend to. Adu excellent. When we say excellent, excellent is then it is not an act, but a habit. When you do the good things as a habit, that is where the excellence comes up. Thank you very much.
Matam yam na matam kai thopi do na asigi abogi function sigi da magda khana bani hai dina lempira poi da mata koi respected guest kumna mabuju hanna na nolok na ningsing jare duga ngasi respected guest ti mafam da next year ba kumna mabu koi unicast organization asibu kari de soi gini ngam ni hai dina yeksim biduna lakba ngadani aduna hanna mu ka su ningsing jare duga makhata rakoi na chief guest ki phambam lang da sing biriba ki pabu khairakpam teben singbu wahi manga da na sigi function asiga bari leina na thambira na ba nogruk na singja
Distinguished guests, especially the unicast freshers, Delhi University के students, उनके relatives वगैरह, guardians and parents. Guests who are present. I just would like to congratulate the freshers who have newly joined the college and the University of Delhi. Just coming from the school life to the college life, and then also joining the university life, there is a certain change, and I hope the students keep up the tempo and learn from their seniors. And the leader level target, they still have to learn from their seniors, number one. Number two, the leader level should not be, should have a good company at least, so that you are properly guided and your goal is achieved at least. Aduga atopa topic ta lagringai mamanda welcome to me unicast ki koi Kaching ki NOC Manipur ki. I really appreciate the people from Kaching area. Manipur I from 1969 onwards, I have been staying outside Manipur. So I know a little bit about Manipur and this thing. I try to myself, to what you call educate myself in my own language. Anyway, I am good enough now. Kaching Academy Sidat Paidiki progressive I really appreciate that. Last time when I was in Manipur, one of the retired SP, I requested him to take me around in Kaching. I have not seen Kaching, from my childhood. So he took me around for Kaching and he just narrated a story. And the person who narrated the story happened to be one of the OC, Kaching the OC where
anyway, that is a freshers are most welcome and this thing. And try to adjust in Delhi. Delhi is not a, it's not a, either I should say not a bad place or not a good place also. We should try to adjust with the system in Delhi. The saying is, they say that when you are wrong, when you are in wrong, you behave like a Roman. So like that only when you are in Delhi, you try to adjust and live like Delhi actually. I Delhi the Hanba posting lapasi. So anyway, I am the introduction to the Mayam I see informal the worry some sanasigo. I hope you won't mind it. I say Manipur Popam I was born in Manipur in a place in a village called Mintopam. My father he was a freedom fighter. One of the first honorary ticket doctor. He was this thing from Natantavana. 1948 Manipur before independence it was merged with India. He was one of the MLA. Maharaj Kumar Priyavartana Matamleda, MKP, Chief Minister. 1949, India merged of Matamavagi, it was what you call, the whole system was collapsed, and then they had to merge with the government of India, and there was what you call that. Manipur was given a Part C state. Even they did not give us a full state at that time. Part C state they call it. Part C state is as in Matamberam was a union territory. When I was a child, so my father used to tell me the story about the background of Manipur, how the system and how the system was. He chinga I say, my father established a Ningthapong High School. And people started objecting that why he is sending his son outside for study. So I studied in, I am a local actually, pure indigenous, the product Ningthapong High School, I did my schooling and I did my matriculation and I passed in 1965. DM College in 1969 I English honors passed out. Professor Dr. Ramanan, I am very grateful. It was because of Dr. Ramanan I am here. I forgot to mention it. Because I met him recently and he says that, Uncle, why don't you come? I said, I'd be very happy to meet the people. So I would like to meet my own people, at least, interact with the people, talk to them, and get some reaction from them also. That is very good for me. I have me 69 I got a, I am just telling about story, so that you know that who is this fellow, why he is bakwas kyun kar raha hai. 69 I got my commission. I joined the army as a second lieutenant. 70 I got a commission. 71 I passed out. 71 Bangladesh war, I was a second lieutenant. I was a battle casualty in Bangladesh war. I was evacuated by helicopter from Bangladesh and brought to Lucknow. I was operated and my knee was, half knee was cut and this thing. So, 76, 77, I army again. That was a short service commission, but had the chance to continue. But still, I opted out. So, I came back. 77, I father got I Manipur politics. Father was basically a politician. I say Manipur, I initially I joined a wrong service because I was in the army. army teaching is such that, very difficult to adjust, discipline life and then, I was thinking, I Manipur without any service, I was there. Then again, I decided, I should do something for my livelihood. So, in 78, UPSC special recruitment for the ex-servicemen, those who took a premature retirement, this thing from before 30. Matamara 28 years, UPSC police can only say Khali especially. That was not a direct IPS. But out of 20 ex-army officers, we were 4 officers, and all of them retired as IG. I think I have a background. Now we come to our district. I was in Arunachal, I was in police department, I was in Arunachal, I was in Mizoram, I was in Goa, I was in Delhi. Delhi is nearly about 15 years I was in Delhi. Delhi is students union ki Masad Kenosi. I don't know exactly, I don't remember, that must be about nearly 1997 or 98. They called me as a chief guest, like 2 days I still, it reminds me, how that time, how the time has gone and this thing. Anyway, I spoke to the students and all those who were present. I said that my coming as a chief guest should not be only ornamental. Say, we should interact something. Being in a Delhi police, what problem you have got and what can I help? Interact also, and I know. My problem with the younger generation is very smart enough, they can adjust, without. In 1996, 97, that generation was little bit, coming out from Manipur, exposed outside, little bit difficult for those boys, to adjust with the local condition. I think if I have you bloody Chinese, you bloody Nepali, problems solved. You should be very happy you have been called as Chinese. Because I will be very happy if I am called as Chinese, because Chinese they are culturally and in every aspect, they are scientifically and with their heritage and others, they are far ahead. Just tell them that yes, I am a Chinese. We are superior people, so then you just tell them, then the fellow will listen. He was the son of I'm just narrating the story, I don't know whether you're getting bored and should I close my, should I continue a little bit? Yes. I'm going to Karyana, I know SD Siwaramba, Amagi Macham, the Marika, Warsaw, Namasi, Atopa school, the Tamatana, convent school, Bangalore, and Man Highway, the Mana. Delhi massage in Graham. Delhi massage is Delhi doesn't belong to anyone. Delhi is full of Biharis, UP, and all sorts of this thing. None of them are original Delhi. Now you're in Delhi, I am in Delhi, I am also a Delhiite. So nobody can say that only the domicile and my original is from Manipur. I think in Moina, Karyana, I have a man. Yes, I am a Chinese and I am studying here. And immediately the tone changed. ये तो foreigner आदमी है, ये इसको ये करो, ये मत करो, वो करो. मतलब see, how the people's react and so how also they, how you can manipulate also. This is also part of the, what do you call, strategy or part of your skill. So it's all, you have to manage that part also. Again, what is this? Another thing I can also topic on something another day. I put it all, you see. 1969, I told the guy, I don't have a place to stay. So I have my house in Goa and Delhi, and it's Delhi. Although Hajikti in last month, Ramanan Koi, but they found by Manipur, like either the other, and I is in Kolam Lake, Lampe Park. The Tamari was a Manipur, any time of one, inner line permit, Canada weather, I go university anyway, what is inner line permit? You try to understand inner line permit. I was in Mizoram and Arunachal. Inner line permit, implementation to OC, I was one of the senior officers who was in charge of inner line permit. What is the meaning of inner line permit? Inner line permit, I say, colonial time, the Britishers just to protect the interests of these tribal peoples. You know, the outside people, they don't come and influence those people. Like my Tirap district, Britishers in Khanal Matam, they go in warrior type na Hariwa, Atopa Naga, Nokte, Wanchu, and ladies in they used to fight with the Britishers. So they probably thought that outsiders, they come and instigate these people, just to segregate them, to keep away from this inner line permit was introduced by the colonial British Empire, just to facilitate for their own administration. Mama the British in the tribal area, there is the Nagaland, Mubasi, opium. Opium, now you are students of history and others, I know you are academician, you must be knowing better. Because I did my graduation in honors and MBA later on when I was in the police department only. So, Adugi, Taududa, Moigi, inner line permit, government, Manipur government, I could get problem, I could get legacy. Why did you legacy carry on? Chinga, plain area, Singa, and his ladies. Singi Kambuna, they can come down and settle in plain area. They can buy the plot of land. Other plain area, I cannot go and I come in on the Colombo Agra. Yeah, they have. I see a problem, we should sort out. Priority to have a quick leadership. I said, you are the future. You are the future politician, you are the future pillar of Manipur, and you have to take over the reins of Manipur, you know how to control that. I go generation, elder generation, they were not competent enough. They were not far-sighted, and they have ruined the destiny. But it is your duty to bring it back. Tribal, non-tribal, we should at least. See, they can buy our plot of land. We should also be allowed to buy their plot of land. We should lift this thing. I see a problem, number one problem, until and until this is sorted out, the problem will be there. And who is creating the problem? Some politicians are exploiting this thing. I am not a politician. Tribal government, another problem, the first problem. The inner line permit has so objective world the world is a global village. Equality, you know. I say suppose for example, problem within 2.5 hours you are here and you take the flight and within 2.5 hours you are in a problem. अच्छी लगी कहना हरियाणा के कहना मतलब चप्पल गाड़ी चलना जाना खुशी था मेरा गाड़ी चप्पल भी अच्छी लगी 2.5 hours Manipur you will have and अभी मतंगता I have been in Goa. I know the system in Goa. Like leadership कानून they should go and see Goa and see the place. Goa की population is only 14 lakhs. Not even half of Manipur's population. Out of these 14 lakhs, 50%, 7 lakhs, they stay outside. America, UK, Arab star that our Tabuta had Mayum change, another maintained over the other echo meditation, no family. Anyway, you keep your distance. Otherwise, tourism is one of the which can be cultivated in one tourism industry. Housing more Asian highway. I was really surprised. I have never visited More, only once I visited. That was in 2002 when I was in Mizoram. The Kuwait was to be, Mizoram, the Kuwait was to be brought from Burma via More. So the Asian highway More is even one single lane you can have. It should be 8 lane More immigration center, so you can take your visa, any Indian with an Indian passport, they can exchange the visa and they go to Thailand and Myanmar with But I see why I am narrating this story is partly Kachingi University, you are nearer to More. You are halfway between the More and you know the situation and others. I think the second one, I'm not going to manipulate problems. Bahushan Samaj Party and with the higher in the PSP, electricity, roadways, water supply. I found another way. No problem because my all is and that because of the water supply is very horrible. Otherwise, they don't want to put the road, they don't want to put the building and then water supply and this. Anyway, I'm quite high now. Younger generation, you kindly see all these problems and take over when you vote next time, when you vote for the right person, not for I will not suggest any party or BJP or Congress or any party. See the person who is I was really impressed. I said that who made it? He said that it's one of the MLA who has done it, and that was really, I was really honored. I said, Manipur maybe I said, what the hell, it's really surprising. So, good work should be appreciated. When we are having a punching with Pakistan and others, we have the same problem. Our problem is not less than Pakistan and others. Time may come when we may be run over by these people, by these outsiders, and we will be outnumbered, and we will become the minority. I have not come to join politics. I got the opportunity lastly, when I'm underground independent Manipur. independent Manipur have seen, is it feasible or not? Noina Manipur see Kuki independent state higher, Naga independent state higher, Meitei independent state higher. Adu Manipur see is it feasible? Is it the right decision? And somebody has to make the people understand. And see, all those days are just not possible as of today. Going in fighting, so as a government, politicians, they are happy. झगड़ा कर रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं होना है. You leave it to them only. They will not do anything. They will not solve any problem. Asigi siso mayamna Santri Singh and Harun Singh anyway, they are in contact with those people who have been who are in the distance. What they are fighting is, I am not telling you. They have a good idea in their mind, but they do not know what are the implications, what are the possibilities that should be made to understand to these people. Lagi yang mana last day, haijan yang mana, NOC ke Santri Singh leader kan bado ikara, maksudnya yang sebagai the war. Akhirnya itu mana hari Santri Singh ayah mana asal dari sini problem sini dari sini hari wa. Leader like problem situation alcohol drug addict Manipur like minus I request and I will advise you to abstain from all those things. Again, Manipur some of the Manipur 90% of 10% are I know that since I was in the Delhi police I know there are boys who are involved in the criminal activity. कोई मैंने मिसाल की मिसाल से तौर का कि एडमिशन तो हमने मार हमने एक ड्यूटी साफ है कि हमने से सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल आदि फोटो में लग रहे हैं ड्यूटी का ऐसे हमने ये कभी मिसाल में चलती और एक केस में तो हमने केस में कोई मणिपुर के कामों से कोई स्पेशल सेल गुम्बा आईडी गुम्बा असीना याना कुछ तो ना असीना सुहाई तो वो है कोई मनु की इंटरनल तो I know a lot of I was in Delhi police for 15 years so I know the who all have been harassed, who all have been created in a problem. Adugi one glaring example I'll give you an example. This is a real case and you can ask him. He is a retired High Court judge in Manipur. These fellows becoming High Court judge was cleared by the police, and his case was pending in the BMO. Atul Bihari Vajpayee Azaki Genoshana Kanana Haiwa. I mean, so I take it for Atul Bihari nothing. Anand Kumar Saab Azika High Court के जज और नामा से चीफ जस्टिस मेघालय हाई कोर्ट के रिटायर्ड हो गए थे हाल ही में चांटम पे किया माना दिल्ली दो ना मतलब सांपोस में तो ना इसे क्लियर तो हो रहा तो गाय what is the reason why this happened why they have not controlled people who were willingly they have been covered अतः क्या है ना वो सारा ये मैं I know the people said I will check up. I check out on the Magi. I got pending in the PMO. PMO the banana now I don't hesitate, all those are gone now. They are all dead. Assam Shaitia, he was the secretary in the PMO. He just came to find he wrote a note, one line. Second clearance from the ID is required. That fellow is sitting in the PMO, so he is a very powerful. Nobody can ask him. second clearance from the this thing is required. I am told only 5 years he has came to him and he has sent it to the authority. Mama either they come the road and I second clearance in Karagana to Matalai and Marsa and Matambuda and over a member. I put the chief minister secret. Malay, I'm also becoming old myself. I am when it was set up, I found a one Sharma from Assam. You know, that he was there for the Gauhati High Court at that time, Manipur High Court was Nankumar was there for the High Court. The other fellow who was junior to him, just to make him senior, this note was written. And he gave up the hope. I had given up the hope. I will do my advocate and was in the company. Anyway, luckily it was clear and he became junior, of course. He could not become, otherwise he would have become at least a chief justice or Meghalaya, retired. As you was didn't see the massaging to the Hadwa. I go in Manipur, so I am Kaka, I go to class. I take a lot of time. Manipur ki Tauriba and also IB na, the inspector, the ASP, rank IB, because Manipur said the atmosphere is not conducive. The money should not be spent unnecessarily. People are volatile, violent. As my progressive other leaders in China, I won't like to name any leader. If our leaders are knowledgeable, if our leaders are exposed to the outside society, and then they should be able to bulldoze and get through all those obstacles. I go to Mantri, Manipuri, Mantri Singh, Mantri Gamta, National Highway, Mantri said, the minister, when he comes, he should wait at least our meeting Gadkari. Adu Taurga, other boy, chief secretary, higher chief secretary, he is not a Manipuri, he is not interested. He wants to complete his tenure and then, So, anyway, nice to be with you. Once again, thanks to the Unicast, especially the professors, try to adjust with take all the special advice and help from the senior. And ours is a small community, and we should help each other. And we should cooperate. We should not try to let down each other. Whenever there is a problem, we should try to help one another. And in my life, my father taught me something. If somebody comes to you for a help, that means he is expecting something that you have the power. Even you may not have the power, but somebody coming to you for help, it means that fellow has got some cash in his hand. So you try to help him whatever is possible. Don't say that, no, I'm not, just guide him, you go there. It's not my job, you go there. So, anyway, Madam, I'm sorry, I know, Madam, I'm low rate, thanks, and this thing, and okay, all the best.
Babungo Mukahan ako Jari, Tagachari, Uziti na Weriba generation, the Yamakana advice, Masum knowledge, Tamira Bagidama, Madi Babung Samaki, whatever personal experience and interesting, whatever personal experience, Mayama Social Bagidama, Babungo and Tagachari. Marakata Mayamda, Kanutang Mixing again, the C, the Unicasti function, the C, the Itaki wherever. Hindu College की auditorium असी बुआई बता चौको मटेंग पांगबिरक किबा ओजा सांता क्रूज कॉलेज असी दा assistant professor department of physics ता ओइना लेबनी ओजा सांता क्रूज को सिया बेखागत चली function असी की whole wide खोट बता चौको मटेंग पांगबिरक की दमकता abung na su panlikre nasi ki function nasi ki chief guest oina abung bu lakpina ba aija bada namna chawo mateng pambira khebo ozara manna busu mayamna wa obama kubituna mathang asidi hokiba November ki date 4 2018 da Kirolimal College ki ground da pangthokiba Unicast Sports Meet da thedok hendok na perform tawduna prize winner makhebu kai puna do chabagi thorama ma thamjari mangjauna na keno mutang ga dingsi jahoge prize winner masamak lakitra gasu kana kari bumba baru mapang amadi maki imung manung le diragadi prize winner ki behalf ta lekhat piratuna prize ase receive tobiyo ahanba category asidi children's school race ta prize winner oina pangkraba first prize ta Nikita Moirangthem ke viragadi stage ko da lekhat piratna ba ningsing jari prize asibu bibi na bagita makta koi respected chief guest abung marathon event ningsing jari Congratulations, Nikita. Second one, prize from Nikiba, Mayang Lambong Gelsi Devi. Congratulations, Gelsi. Third position, the prize from Nikaba, Manjita Moirangthem. Manjita Moirangthem, like Vidra Gasu Karibumba, friends or Magi relatives, like Viragadi, Magi Bihapra.
Next category is children's music chair. So, first position, Lobi Prabha, Pranalika Ja. Pranalika Ja, okay. Pranalika Ja, wait a minute. Congratulations, Pranalika. And the second, Pranalika, prize is what I want. And second position, the Lobi Prabha, Mayang Lambong Nelson Singh. Mayang Lambong Nelson. Congratulations, Nelson. Third position, the Lobi Prabha, Mayang Lambong Gelsi Devi. Mayang Lambong Gelsi.
children's mithai lakpi game da manalo khaba first prize asi bu ikai thunna na ba idamakta asi oni guest of honor gi form la election biriba oza mani chandra thinking zari first prize lobi khaba Mr. Bhugonjit Naurem
Bhugonjit le leader su magi khamna tanaba maru mapang ko so replacement ama heta kakat pirat na ni sinjare
Dr. Male
Bhugonjit Naurem
second prize lobi krabi matang siri Nikita Moirangke
Nikita agi ata ko yerba ke doctor students ki category se
third position Lokrabi and Athena Naurem
Athena Naurem
Ozamani Sandra
sida agoina la thoki bada category sida mamanda la thoki sida masamok la outraga su orena moka adum agoi la thokjara gani aduga adum prize adum lobi ba yagane next ki category is children's blind hit so masi ki category sida di winners the first position khaptamak leirame first position de yamna competitive oiramgani aina khale maside amma khaptamda da thamamme first position goes to Nikita Moirangke Nikita congratulations again
की category ऐसी को prize की भी नौकी दमकता ऐसी की सुबह guest of honor दा लेगी बा ओजा सोमरेन सिंजरी मथंगी category ऐसी की women's physics यानी first position लोगी क्रबी Naurem Sonali Devi second position na Ketrimeu Osima Devi Ketrimeu Osima की friends कुंभा और any relatives ले अगर की राजा से लोग भी ना बनी सिंगे
Osima की friend mayam Devinita side le iragati nang gatuna dum lobi ba yagane okay Devinita
third position is Anisha Naurem Anisha Naurem
Anisha Naurem masama ka trabasu nagna ba wagera relatives wagera friends wagera amadi soidana leiram gane na khalle do amma dum labu na lobi ba yagane Anisha Naurem
Dr. Gumale Oza Sombren Robo Mathangi category men's 100-meter race. First position, the Naurem Ronik Singh.
Naurem Ronik Singh.
Naurem Ronik ki behalf, the magi friends, samatang lengkat pilih, tuna prize sa lobi na gani. Second prize is the Thoksom Jalit Singh na. Third position, the Naurem Prince Singh. Prince. Zabu thagat chali. Mathangi category asidi women's spoon race ni. Prize asibu pipi na bagi damakta mukha pai asigi president oina mention diri ba chabu sinjari. First position da Lesang Them Jiteshwari Devi. Second position, the Naurem Eli Devi. Third position, the Pukramba Mansika Devi. Category ini ketang ngai punang ngai nasi. Matang di category asimu prize PV nama kita makta Kagam Mani Sandra kahan dari sini jadi. Matang di category asimu women's blind ni single winner ni Naurem Eli Devi. Congratulations. Last but not the least, Aruiba category CD, men's music chair category. Prize Sibu, Bibi Nabakina Makta, Zaso Reto, Aruiba category. First winner, Sogaijan Jack Singh. Congratulations. Second, Moirangkem Arnold Singh. Third position is Moirangkem Kennedy Singh. yawargadi magi behalf ta prize asi lobina bani singi thank you prize winner present oigi daba makhaidu une Unicast ki any representative ka contact to biduna prize asi any time lobi ba yagani hꯧji mayam da nixing jaba ma matam sisu program si yam thengna ho ki baga loina na mayam ne chak lamna rogani aduna koi na to program si lunch ki matam schedule to jare houji mayam lunch no link si dina
stage television biduna legni ba magi respected guests ko hana ge khambam da muga handa election binawa nixing jare
Delhi का बता दिल्ली से ये
Yam yam học chưa được ăn yam rồi.
करीब बिन चावे है वो बिन से पने का पनीर से हम कोई डल बेस है आप यार ये से हमारी आइस क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग ये बाहर से हुआ ना क्या हुआ Apa? Thinking idea. Ya, Pak. Kenapa gimana? Kenapa? First class win. 거기도 하프네. 그도 하프네.
Saya suka ini. Main minat tuh.